The world is full of life, much of it hidden from our view. Beneath our feet, behind walls and in the shadows, a creature often misunderstood thrives, the rat. These adaptable rodents, far from the negative image they sometimes evoke, are fascinating creatures. Their story is a story of resilience, intelligence, and a surprising connection to our own. Rats belong to the family Muridae, a vast group that includes more than 700 species. From the bustling city streets to remote islands, rats have colonized almost every corner of the planet. Their success lies in their remarkable adaptability, a trait we will explore further. Their presence in our world is undeniable. Rats have lived alongside humans for millennia, their lives intertwined with ours in ways both beneficial and challenging. This documentary aims to shed light on these complex creatures, revealing the wonders of their biology, behavior, and the vital role they play in the delicate balance of nature. Although often associated with urban environments, rats are incredibly diverse in their habitats and species. The common brown rat, known scientifically as Rattus norvegicus, is indeed a master of city life. However, its cousin, the black rat, Rattus rattus, prefers life above ground, often found in trees and attics. If we venture beyond human settlements, the diversity of rat species becomes even more apparent. From the grassy plains of Africa to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, rats have carved their own niche. The Gambian pouched rat, for example, can grow to be over 3 feet long. Each species has developed unique adaptations to thrive in its environment. Some are expert climbers, while others are digging specialists. Their diets also vary, with some species primarily herbivorous, while others are omnivorous, like their urban counterparts. This incredible diversity highlights the adaptability of rats, a testament to their evolutionary success. They remind us that life finds a way, even in the most unexpected places. Rats owe much of their success to their remarkable behavior. Highly intelligent and resourceful, they exhibit a range of complex behaviors that have allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. One key to their adaptability is their social structure. Rats live in colonies, often with established hierarchies and complex communication systems. They use a combination of scent markings, ultrasonic vocalizations, and body language to communicate with each other. This social structure allows them to work cooperatively, sharing food and information, and even engaging in communal care of their young. Another remarkable trait is their problem-solving ability. Rats are quick learners and excel at navigating mazes and solving puzzles. This intelligence, combined with their dexterity and keen senses, makes them experts at finding food and shelter, even in challenging environments. Their adaptability extends to their diet. Rats are opportunistic omnivores, meaning they will eat almost anything. This flexibility allows them to survive in areas where other animals might struggle. While this adaptability has made them successful, it has also led to their complex relationship with humans. Beyond their adaptability, rats possess a surprising array of remarkable abilities. Their intelligence, for example, is often underestimated. Studies have shown that rats are capable of empathy, even helping unfamiliar rats in distress. Their senses are also highly developed. Although their eyesight is relatively poor, they compensate with their other senses. Their whiskers, for instance, are incredibly sensitive, allowing them to navigate in darkness and detect small changes in their environment. Rats also have an exceptional sense of smell and taste. This keen sense of smell has led to their use in detecting landmines and even diagnosing diseases like tuberculosis. Their learning ability and adaptability have made them invaluable partners in research, contributing to our understanding of genetics, diseases, and even human behavior. The relationship between humans and rats is complex and often fraught with contradictions. Rats have been both revered and reviled throughout history. In some cultures, rats are seen as symbols of resourcefulness and intelligence, while in others, they are associated with disease and filth. This duality stems from our shared history. Humans and rats have coexisted for millennia, our paths intertwined since the dawn of agriculture. As humans settled and stored grain, rats were quick to take advantage of this new food source, leading them to become associated with human settlements. This proximity, however, also brought challenges. Rats, like many rodents, can carry diseases that can be harmful to humans. The Black Death, a devastating pandemic of the 14th century, is believed to have been spread in part by fleas carried by rats. This historical context has shaped our perception of rats, often casting them in a negative light. However, it's crucial to remember that rats are simply trying to survive, like any other species. Understanding their biology and behavior is key to coexisting peacefully and appreciating their vital role in the ecosystem. More than meets the eye. The role of rats in the ecosystem. Despite their often negative image, rats play a crucial role in the delicate balance of our ecosystems. As prey animals, they form a vital link in the food chain, providing sustenance for a wide range of predators, such as birds of prey, snakes, and larger mammals. Rats also contribute to seed dispersal. Many species consume seeds and fruits, helping to spread plants and trees throughout their environment. Their digging activities, while sometimes considered a nuisance, can also be beneficial, aerating the soil and facilitating plant growth. Additionally, rats are increasingly recognized for their potential in conservation efforts. Their keen sense of smell and learning ability make them ideal candidates for detecting illegal wildlife products, such as ivory and pangolin scales. It's clear that rats, far from being mere pests, are integral members of the ecosystems they inhabit. Their presence, while sometimes challenging, is essential for maintaining biodiversity and the health of our planet. A shared future, coexisting with our shadowy neighbors. As we move forward, it's vital that we find ways to coexist peacefully with rats. This requires a shift in perspective, moving away from eradication and towards understanding and management. Integrated pest management techniques, for example, focus on reducing rat populations sustainably while minimizing harm to other species. This approach involves identifying and eliminating the factors that attract rats, such as food sources and shelter. It also involves using a combination of methods, such as habitat modification, exclusion techniques, and targeted trapping, rather than relying solely on rodenticides, which can have unintended consequences for other wildlife. Education also plays a crucial role. By understanding rat behavior and taking preventative measures, we can minimize conflict and create a more harmonious relationship. This includes securing garbage, storing food properly, and sealing entry points in our homes. Beyond the stereotypes, appreciating the rat's place. Ultimately, learning to appreciate rats requires us to look beyond the stereotypes and see them as the fascinating creatures they are. Their intelligence, adaptability, and resilience are qualities worthy of admiration. Instead of viewing them solely as pests, we can begin to appreciate their role in the web of life. Their presence, while sometimes challenging, is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. By fostering a greater understanding of rats, we can create a future where humans and these extraordinary rodents can coexist peacefully, each playing their part in the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. A call for understanding, protecting biodiversity, including rats. As we conclude our exploration of the world of rats, it's crucial to remember that their story is intertwined with a much larger narrative, the urgent need to protect biodiversity. The diversity of life on Earth, from the smallest rat to the largest whale, is facing unprecedented threats. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution are pushing countless species towards extinction. Rats, despite their resilience, are not immune to these threats. The loss of any species, however small or seemingly insignificant, has ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. Protecting biodiversity is not just about saving iconic animals. It's about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. This includes appreciating and understanding those creatures, like rats, that often live in the shadows, playing their part in the delicate balance of nature. Let us move forward with a renewed sense of wonder and respect for all creatures, recognizing that our own well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our planet and all its inhabitants, including the extraordinary rat.